How to create Google Play Store account. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to create Google Play Store account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty and simple, so let's go. So creating a Google Play Store account is just the same as creating a standard Google account. So let's head over to our Play Store. And then once we're in there, just click on this profile icon right here. And then from in there, you can just head over and click this drop down menu and you will be able to see all the accounts that you have. So click on this add another account. Then once you're in there, just click on Google. And then from in there, it will check your info. And on a short second, it will ask you to sign in. So you just need to click on this create account right here. So click on that. Click on my personal views. And then after that, you need to create your account like usual, and you should be able to create your Google Play Store account using this way. So that's the whole process. I hope this would help you to create Google Play Store account. If you have questions, comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.